it, and the old me didn't know what I was missing. Seeing so clear, got that 20/20 vision. It was in me all along. All I had to do was listen to that heartbeat down inside of my chest. The little voice in the back of my head saying, one day you'll be living the dream. You'll see, I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell